Small business check.
Agad. Tapos, bubuksan-buksan na aparador. Pero wala pa kami nun.
Rehina.
Hi everyone, it's Rehina here. Welcome back to my channel. And for this video, we are going to pack orders. So this is our Scrunchies business. Lately ko lang din to naisipan gawin. So pack with me. Yes. So, what we're gonna need, ayan yung sample ng Scrunchies. Silk satin and velvet Scrunchies. Yeah. So, sobrang daming colors and medyo trending kasi siya, or trendy siya ngayon. So, ayan, tinry lang namin. Now we have orders, we're gonna pack. Normally, our packaging has two options. One is inside a plastic pouch like this. Ayan. Tapos, makikita nyo yung itsura later. And another one inside a box like this. So, para siyang gift style. Saan may sample ko?
Ayern. Gift style.
Ito yun.
Medyo hindi makita. Ayan, may logo siya.
There. You'll see later kung paano namin pinapackage yung aming Scrunchies. But, yung prices niya naman is not very far from each other. Ito kasi maganda siya dahil naka-box na siya. Para siya talagang ready to give na, or as a gift or present to someone. Whereas this one is, pwede rin naman pang regalo, pero mas simple yung packaging niya. Parang tatanggalin mo na lang sa plastic, tapos dispose of the plastic. So, follow us on Instagram and Shopee. Yun pa lang so far ang accounts na meron kami. It's at happyr.ph. So, ayun. You'll see yung available colors na meron doon. Yung Scrunchies. Okay, so, let's start.
Ito yung mga napapanood nyo sa social media o di kaya sa Facebook nyo. Mga satisfying, may mga pa-background music lang, tapos
Small business check.
agad. Tapos bubuksan-buksan na aparador. Pero wala pa kami nun.
So, mano-mano namin din ginagawa. And you'll see the whole process kung paano namin ginagawa yung packaging. Hanggang sa makarating siya doon sa buyer.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we'll start with the pouch packaging kasi yun yung mas simple na packaging namin. First off is I like to wear gloves on my hands kasi pasmado yung kamay ko at ayokong magkaroon ng fingerprints. ASMR. Ayokong magkaroon ng fingerprints doon sa products. And sa mismong packaging. So, ayan. We're gonna wear some gloves. Tapos, we have here our silk satin scrunchie. Scrunchies. Or in the color rose gold. And this frosted as plastic pouch, which I use in packaging the scrunchies. So, very simple lang. Ilalagay yung scrunchie sa loob, like so. Make sure lang na parang ano siya sa loob, nakapabilog, ganun. Slowly insert it like that. Tapos, lalagyan ng thank you card, this one. Sa likod. Tanggalin mo lang yung plastic dito, tapos isi-seal mo na siya. Ganun lang kadali. Ganito siya sa likod, tapos ganito siya sa harap, then isi-seal na natin. Ayan. Tapos, I can put my sticker here dito sa harap. This one's a transparent sticker. Ayan. Of my logo, Happy R. The struggle is real. Okay, so finally, see, it's a transparent sticker. Like this one. Hindi na siya makita. Ayan. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa harapan. without the air trapped inside. Yan. So, hindi mo na siya ganong makikita, but it's there. Para lang meron pa rin tayong branding kahit sa packaging. Next up is this box or gift style packaging. I'll show you guys how I do this one. I have here the box. Ito yung ginagamit kong box kasi gusto ko yung size, color. Yan. This one. Ganito ko siya nabibili. Nakalapat. Tapos, i-fold ko yan isa-isa. Ganyan. Per crease o per line marks na ganyan, pina-fold ko. Tapos, pag ano na siya, pwede ko na siyang i-assemble. Para mas makita nyo. Itong dalawa na squares, ito siya sa loob. Or, siguro yung mute na lang to ni AJ when she edits. Tapos meron yan. And on the other side. Okay, so we're almost done assembling the box. Ito na lang, yung flaps niya. And then, yung parang panghook niya dito. Okay, so, next is yung filler, to which I am using my trusty shredder. This one. May shredded fillers na ako sa loob. Ang color white, syempre. Kaya hindi tayo magpa-practice ng shredding. Lalagay ko na lang sa loob. Para siyang nest. Tapos, ilalagay mo na yung scrunchies. Halimbawa, this one. Ayan, dito siya nakalagay. Top it with a note card again. Here. Close it. Tapos, lalagyan ng sticker dito sa taas. Ito. So, let me do that. Kasi medyo matagal yung paglapat nitong sticker. Ito naman, makikita naman siya dito sa box kasi plain white yung box natin. So, there. Basta mailapat lang siya ng maayos sa gitna. Sa tamang lugar without the air bubbles. Ayan. Carefully. Ayan. Then, there. So that when they receive their boxes, ganito itsura niya. Tapos nakaganito. A special case for this one is because sa kanyang orders, gusto niya 3 scrunchies yung nasa loob and naka-arrange yung colors from light to dark. So, we'll do that for this special order lang. Ganito ang itsura niya. So, we'll start with this darkest shade, followed by this medium shade, and then the lightest one. So, ganito silang tatlo inside. Ayan, ganyan sila. Ilalapat ko lang ng maayos. Tapos, lagay ko ulit yung card. Sasara natin. Yan. But just, secure naman siya as it is. Okay na siya ng ganyan. Pero if I want to add extra lock or security, I'll seal it with this washi tape dito sa bottom part para lang hindi siya talaga bubukas-bukas. So that's it for packing with me session of our Scrunchies business. Ito yung end product niya, the one in the pouch packaging and the one in the box or gift style packaging. If you're interested in Scrunchies, do follow us at happyr.ph on Instagram and happyr on Shopee. So, ayun, very affordable lang to. Check nyo. Maraming colors yung available. Follow me on my social media accounts. It's at Regine on Instagram and Twitter. And hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down below if you have questions. I'll answer them one by one. Isa-isa lang. Promise, sasagutin ko lahat yan. That's it for this video. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Rehina out.